Hello everyone, I'm Yvonne. Welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, I want to say a warm welcome to you. I hope you consider joining our team by subscribing. If you are returning, thank you for your continued support. On the menu today is fresh homemade pineapple ginger juice. This is made 100% with fresh ingredients with no artificial sweetness. It's really good and refreshing. I also just heard pineapple juice cures COVID. Who knew, huh? Well, make my recipe for two reasons. One, to enjoy a refreshing juice, and two, to prevent COVID. If the scientists are right, who knows, right? Well, let's get right into it. Right, so today we're making pineapple ginger drink. And for that, we need a pineapple. And to check the pineapple, you just pull it. And once it comes up very easily, you know it's ripe, just like that. This is super ripe. I bought this when I made the pineapple fried rice. I got 2 of them, so this is the second one. And you remember when I was pulling on that, I had resistance? And this just comes off very easily. So that's how you do test it in the store, okay? Apart from the color, because it could be green or sort of in between, but still be ripe. But this is super ripe. All right, so you can tell we don't even need to do this. It is super ripe. Look at that. It's even beginning to go out. I'm not sure how much of this I will get. I'll end up when I cut it open. So I'm going to use a can one. If I cut this open and I don't have enough of it, then I'm going to use a can. I'm just using the Dole canned pineapple, okay? We're going to need ginger. I have a teaspoon of cloves. I have dates. I'm going to use this as sweeteners. I'm going to try and not use any sugar. I'm trying to make it healthy. I have honey. If I think I need some to sweeten it some more, I would use the honey to sweeten, okay? And I'm going to need a lemon. If you have lime, that'll be fine. And I'm going to add tangerines, okay? I'm going to add 4 tangerines. And what I'm going to do now is to zest the tangerine, okay? I'm just going to zest it like so before I squeeze the juice out, okay? All I need is the juice. But I'm going to zest it. Use the zest. It's always a good idea to zest. Even if you don't need it, zest it and freeze it. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. Zest all these and then we'll be back. Here I just cut up the ginger and I cut up the pineapple. I cut up the bark. I'm going to boil those with the cloves just to get extra boost of pineapple flavor instead of throwing them away. It's just boil them for like 10 minutes and I use the tweezers, pineapple tweezers, take out the eyes of the pineapples, cut them into chunks to make it easy for blending. And we are the stovetop. I put in my water and I cube up these pineapples to blend. Next I add the dates. And then I add the zest of the tangerine, and in goes my tangerine. I don't have to add any extra sugar at all. You can use any fruit, okay? Or you can choose not to use any fruit. Then I zest the 2 lemons that I have. Now we are doing this purely for the flavor. This has been boiling about 10 minutes, and the house already smells like what, Juby? Pineapple. It's so fragrant. So we're going to let it boil another 5 minutes, and then we'll come and scoop the ginger and the cloves and blend them, okay? So 5 more minutes and we'll be back. So I scoop out my ginger and the cloves. They've infused all of their flavors into the liquid. I'm just taking it to the blender to blend and I'll be right back. So here I'm just blending my pineapple, ginger and cloves in batches. It's quite a lot of pineapple. I'm adding the canned one and so I have to blend them twice. And here I'm just straining them and I'm going to strain till it's smooth and I'm going to reblend the chaff. Okay, and I reblend. Put it on smoothie, it gives you a better consistency, and then I just run this through the sieve to make it super smooth. I'm going to reblend this pulp to extract everything out of it. I mean, I just more mileage out of it, right? So here, that's all I'm doing, just blending and reblending until I've extracted everything. Here at the stovetop, I take out the pineapple bark. It's done its job and infused a ton of flavor. I run this hot liquid into the sieve, add a bit of honey to sweeten it, mix it thoroughly to dissolve the honey. My pineapple blend needed a bit more sweetening, so I went ahead and used the honey. With your clean hands, you just run the pineapple blend through the sieve and it's done. Add my mint to flavor and that is it. Right, so our pineapple ginger drink is done. And we didn't use any sugar. Remember, we used fruits cut through the sweetness with some kind of acid. You do need the acid, okay? Lemon or lime works perfectly. We did not introduce any heat to the pineapple and the tangerine, the fruits, no heat. Okay, dates, no heat. So you know you're getting full nutritional benefit because these things are all vitamin C. Remember science? Vitamin C gets destroyed with heat. So if you cook it, you boil it, all that, you're destroying the nutritional properties. So drink it in its raw form as much as possible. This is so refreshing. OMG. If you have turmeric, you know, turmeric is in the same family as ginger. So if you have the turmeric root, not the powder, but if you have the ginger root, boil it at the same time you boil. You know, just slice a little piece. All you need is a tiny piece, not the same amount as the ginger, just like maybe a thumb size. Boil it with the ginger and the pineapple bark, and then blend it just to give it an extra boost of nutrients. I could just sit here and drink this all day. I'm gonna sit in the backyard, recline in the chair, kick back and sip on this, and just sit and pray that Corona will pass as quickly as it came. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of another episode. I hope you enjoyed my pineapple ginger drink. I thank you for joining me today. Please do give my pineapple ginger juice a go. Give it a try. You would enjoy it. I thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. It's free. It's right over there. Subscribe to the channel and share the videos for me. Do give me a like. I hope you like this, and a comment. Just say howdy, thank you, something, you know, just say your name, say hello to me, okay? Do give this a try and let me see your recreations. Thank you so much for joining me today. God bless you until I see you again next time with another delicious recipe. Stay blessed and happy cooking. Bye bye.